You say that's good. Kato kababa. Say.
Kato baba.
No, wrong.
Kato baba.
Kato kababa.
Me uncle.
Say again, Akim. Kato kababa. Kato kababa. You are saying baba. It's not baba.
Me uncle.
Kababa. You?
Kato kababa.
Correct. You?
Kato kababa.
Okay. So the next one to say that's alright. How to say that's alright is Kato kabade. Bye. She's saying bye to you guys. Listen, Hakim. How to say that's alright? Kato kabade.
Alright.
No. In Khasi. Kato kabade.
Kato kabade.
Again.
Kato kabade.
Kato kabade.
Kato babade.
Again.
Kato babade.
Kato kabade. Say Kato kabade. Again. Say loud. Kato kabade.
Kato.
You don't know. You fail, Hakim. You have 0. Say Kato.
Kato kabade.
You have 1 point. You?
Kato kabade.